Morning students, this is Vijay, Department of Chemistry from Mount Zion Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Pudukkottai. In this session, I am going to explain Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry Part 5. So, today we are going to see isomerism in coordination compounds. So, the isomerism classified two types. One is structural isomerism, another one is stereoisomerism. So what is structural isomerism? Structural isomerism is nothing but it arises due to the difference in the structures of coordination compounds. And what is stereoisomerism? Stereoisomerism is nothing but it arises due to the different spatial orientation of ligands around the central metal atom or ion. So structural isomerisms are classified ionization isomerism, hydration isomerism, linkage isomerism and coordination isomerism. So in this part, the structural isomerism already we discussed, okay. So in this session, today class, we are going to see stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism are classified geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Okay. So the geometrical isomerism exists cis and trans isomerism, and optical isomerism exists D and L isomerism. Further we are going to discuss that. Okay. So what is geometrical isomerism? Okay. So geometrical isomerism exists in heteroleptic complexes. Okay. So generally in inorganic chemistry, coordination compound or coordination complex are classified homoleptic complexes and heteroleptic complexes. So what is homoleptic complexes? Homoleptic complexes is nothing but the central metal atom having the ligand, only one type of ligands. Okay. And heteroleptic complex is nothing but the central metal atom having different type of ligands. For example, whether it may be the ligands are positive, negative and neutral. Okay. So these are the homoleptic complex. So the homoleptic complexes, due to the different possible three-dimensional spatial arrangements of ligands around the central metal atom, this type of isomerism exists in square planar and octahedral complexes. Okay. So in a square planar complexes, total number of ligand 4, coordination number 4 should be present. So in octahedral complexes should be present, total number of ligand and coordination number is 6. Okay. So now we are going to see the square planar complexes. In a square planar complexes of the form of metal A2, B2 and the charges, number of charges plus or minus, and the another form metal A2, BC and the charges plus or minus. Here M is represented for metal. This is a general form. In this general form, M is represented for metal. A, B and C are monodentate ligands. So what is monodentate ligands? Already we know ligands are Lewis base. It can able to donate a sharp pair of electrons to the central metal atom or ion. So what is monodentate ligand? Monodentate ligand, in a ligand only one atom can able to share or donate a sharp pair of electron. Okay. So and metal is the central metal atom ion. Okay, a similar groups A or B present either on the same side or on the opposite side of the central metal atom M give rise to two different geometrical isomers. Okay, and they are called cis and trans isomer respectively. So what is cis and trans isomer? Okay, so cis isomer is nothing but same groups are present in same direction. Okay, so trans isomer is nothing but same groups are present in opposite direction. Okay, so the square planar complexes of the type metal X, Y twice number of charges where XY is a bidentate ligand. Okay, so what is bidentate ligand? So already we discussed ligands are Lewis base. It can able donate a shared pair of electron to the metal, and here we have discussed bidentate ligand. So bidentate ligand is nothing but in a ligand two atoms can able to donate shared pair of electron with a central metal atom. It is called bidentate ligand. Okay, so bidentate ligand with two different coordinating atoms also shows cis and trans isomerism. The square planar complexes of the form metal A, B, C, D and the charge also shows geometrical isomerism. In this case, by considering any one of the ligands A, B, C or D as a reference, okay, the rest of the ligands can be arranged in a three different ways. So it's leading to the three geometrical isomerism. Okay, what is that? In a general complex formula, M is represented for metal and total number of ligand is 4. Okay, the type of ligand is A, B, C, D is a general form. Among these, by considering one of the ligand in A, B, C or D as a reference, the rest of the ligands can be arranged in three different ways. So it is possible to explain three geometrical isomerism. Okay, for example, here the general formula for the square planar complexes. Okay, why it is square planar complexes? M for central metal atom, here A2, B2. So the total number of ligand is 4. Coordination number is 4. Coordination number is nothing but, so number of ligand is equal to coordination number, so 4. So it is a type of square planar complexes. So and another general form metal A2, BC. So here also M for metal A2, BC. So 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. So it is square planar. And another type metal XY twice. XY twice. It is a bidentate ligand. So it is multiple with 2. It comes 4. So total number of ligand is 4. Why bidentate ligand multiple with 2? Because in a bidentate ligand two atoms can able to donate a shared pair of electron to the metal. Okay, so and finally a general form is metal A, B, C, D. So total number of ligand 4 and it is equal to coordination number. So it is exists square planar complexes. So these general forms are example for square planar complexes. So first we are going to see a type of metal A2, B2. So in geometrical isomerism exists cis isomer and trans isomer. Already we discussed in the introduction. The geometrical isomerism are classified as cis isomer and trans isomer. Okay, so in a type of metal A2, B2, okay, so M is metal. So here the metal is platinum. A2 example for N-3, N-3 and B2 Cl. So this is a square planar complex and charge of this complex is 2+, which means platinum 2+. Okay, so here same groups are present in same direction. Okay, N-3, here Cl. So same groups are present in a same direction. In a numbering method, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2 are same side, 3, 4 are same side. So it is exists as a cis isomer. But under the geometrical structure, platinum is a central metal atom. Okay, so N-3 Cl, N-3 Cl. So here what is the difference? So here N-3 Cl. So we interchange or shift these molecules. Okay, so what happens when Cl comes here, N-3 comes here, so geometrical form is differ. In this geometrical form, N-3 Cl, okay, N-3 Cl. So same groups are present in opposite direction. N-3 Cl. Same groups are present in opposite direction. So it is considered as trans isomer. Already we discussed. Okay, what is cis isomerism? Same groups are present in same direction, called cis isomerism. Same groups are present in opposite direction is called trans isomer. Okay, so another type of square planar complexes is metal A2, BC. Okay, so metal is platinum and A2 is N-3, B, for example Br, C for Cl. So in this type numbering, okay, two are similar but another are non similar. So here numbering the compounds 1, 2 are same side. Here 3, 4 are same side. So it is cis. If we change the position, okay, so shift the Br and N-3, what happens? We have a different isomer, and this isomer same groups are present in opposite direction. Okay, so it is exist as a trans isomer. Okay, so next type, metal XY twice. So metal XY twice is example for bidentate ligand. So here the bidentate ligand acid amide. Okay, what is acid amide? NH2 CH2 COO twice. Okay, acid amide. So this is a bidentate ligand. So metal is platinum. So here NH2 bidentate ligand having in a bidentate ligand means in this ligand two atoms can able to donate shared pair of electron to central metal atom. So nitrogen is also donating shared pair of electron in this acid amide. Oxygen also donating shared pair of electron to the central metal atom. So it is represented as a bidentate ligand. So same groups are present in same direction. Okay, that's why it is cis isomer. but here we interchange as if this side, what happens, we have a different isomer. These are represented as a trans isomer because same groups are present in opposite direction, so it is represented as a trans isomer. So for the another type, metal A, B, C, D. Okay, so metal is a platinum, A NH3, B for Br, C for NO2, D for Cl. So numbering the compound 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, same group, 1, 2 are same side, 3, 4 are same side. So it is cis. Okay, and in this structure, okay, first we interchange on this side NH3 and Br. What happens? We have a different isomer. Okay, so 1, 2 are same side, 3, 4 are same side, so it is also cis isomer. And this isomer structure, okay, we interchange NH3 NO2. What happens? We shifted NH3 and NO2. What happens? We have a different isomer which is BrNO2. Okay, so here number 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, so here 1, 4. Okay, so 1, 2 in opposite direction, 3, 4 are opposite direction. So what happens? It is exists as a trans isomer. Okay, so 4 ligands are different, so we are going to follow the numbering method 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 are same side, so it is cis isomer. 3, 4 are same side, it is a cis isomer. Here also 2, 1 same side, 3, 4 same side, so it is a cis isomer. But here in this structure 1, 2 opposite direction, 3, 4 opposite direction, so it is exists as a trans isomer. Okay, so next we are going to discuss octahedral complexes. So in octahedral complexes, the type of metal A2, B4, number of charge plus or minus. So in octahedral complex, what is the condition? Total number of ligand or coordination number should be 6. Okay, so just calculate the number of ligand. Metal A2, B4, metal A2, B4. So total number of ligand is 6. So it exists as a octahedral complexes. So it is a one general form of complex. So we have another form of complexes is metal XX twice B2. Okay, so XX twice means it is a bidentate ligand. So already we discussed what is bidentate ligand. In a bidentate ligand, so ligands having the probability 2 atoms can able to donate a shared pair of electron to the central metal atom. So we just multiply with 2, so comes 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So total number of ligand is 6. So it is also comes octahedral complexes. So these two form is a general form of octahedral complexes. So these also exist cis and trans isomers. Okay, so here A and B are monodentate ligands. Okay, so monodentate ligand means only in a ligand only one atom can able to donate shared pair of electron to the central metal atom. XX is a bidentate ligand with two same kind of donor atoms. Okay, so in the octahedral complex, the position of ligands is indicated by the following numbering scheme. Okay, in octahedral complexes we discuss total number of ligand is 6. Okay, so the 6 ligand position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the position of 6 ligand. 6 ligand or exists as octahedral structure. Okay, so it is a general form. L is represented for the 6 ligand. These are the axis, y axis, x and z axis. Okay, so in the above numbering scheme, the position, okay, position of ligand base, we are going to classify what is cis isomer, what is trans isomer. So what are cis isomers, what are trans isomers? Okay, so the position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so center is for central metal. Okay, so in the above scheme, the positions 1, 2, okay, 1, 2 is the same side. Before we are going to discuss cis isomer, so okay, I will explain transform in this structure. Okay, what is transform? Transform is same groups are present in a opposite direction. So here what is transform? Opposite direction. Okay, same groups in the opposite direction. Okay, so 1, 6 are opposite direction. Okay, is it here? 1, 6 is opposite, 4, 2 is opposite, 3, 5 is opposite. Clear? So 1 to 6 is trans, okay, isomer. 4, 2 is exist trans isomer. 3, 5 exists trans isomer because they are present in opposite, okay, direction. Okay, so rest of the others, what are 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6 and 5, 6 is our cis isomer. Okay, so how we explain? 1, 2, what is the position 1, 2? 1, 2 are in a same side. Okay, so 1, 2 is a cis, okay, isomer. 2, 3, 2, 3 are same side. Okay, that's why it is a cis isomer. 1, 4, 1, 4 is also 1, 4 is also same side, so it is a cis isomer. And 1, 5, 1, 5 is also same side, so it is cis isomer. And 2, 3, where is the 2, 3? 2, 3, it is also same side, so it is cis isomer. And 2, 5, where is 2, 5? 2, 5 is also same side. And 2, 6, where 2, 6? 2, 6, it is also same side, so it is a cis. And 3, 4, 3, 4, it is also same side, so it is a cis isomer. And 4, 5, so 4, 5, it is also same side, so it is a cis isomer. And 4, 6, 4, 6 also same side, it is a cis isomer. And finally 5, 6, it is also same side, so it is cis isomer. So these ligands are identical, and if two similar groups are present in any one of these position, okay, this isomer is referred as a cis isomer. So in this position, if ligands are present, so these are considered as cis isomer because these are present in a same side. Okay. Similarly, the position 1, 6 and the position 2, 4, where is 2, 4? 2, 4, and the position 3, 5, where is 3, 5? Here 3, 5 are identical, and if similar ligands are present in this position, it is referred as a trans isomer. Okay. And next, in octahedral complexes, we are going to discuss another type of isomer. Okay, so the type is metal A3B3, number of charges. Okay, also shows geometrical isomerism if the three isomer ligands A are present in the corners of one triangular face of the octahedron, and the other three ligands of B are present in the opposing triangular face, then the isomer is referred as a facial isomer. Okay, so what is the general form of this isomer? Metal A3B3. So three similar ligands of A present in the corner of one triangular. Okay, what is that? If A is considered as Cl. Okay, so three ligands are present in the corner of the one triangular face. Okay, if B is considered as Cn. Okay, okay, so these ligands of B, for example Cn, are present in the opposing triangular face. So these triangulars are face to face. Okay, exist as a face to face. So it is example for the isomer is referred as example for the facial isomer. It is phase isomer. Okay, another possible isomerism is meridional or meridional isomers. So if the three similar ligands in the form of metal A3B3, similar ligands are present around the meridian, which is an imaginary semicircle. Okay, for example, you can imagine a line that we imagine on the surface of the earth that joins the north pole to the south pole and passes through a particular place. Okay, so it is a imaginary semicircle from one apex of the octahedron to the opposite apex as shown in the figure. Okay, so one apex, okay, to the opposite apex. Okay, so it is a imaginary semicircle. Okay, one and opposite, so imaginary semicircle. Okay, so the isomer is called meridional isomer or mer isomer. This is called meridional because each set of ligands can be regarded as lying on a meridian of an octahedron. Okay, so A3, okay, one apex to the opposite apex, one apex position to the opposite apex position. This is the imaginary semicircle. Okay, so it is a meridional isomerism, okay, of A3. In B3, so backsets of, okay, in B3 Cn, okay, it is a one apex to the opposite apex. So the imaginary semicircle pass, okay, through a backside. So it is a B3 meridional place. Okay, so it is a A3 meridional, it is a B3 meridional. Okay, so it is a imaginary semicircle, one apex to another opposite apex semicircle, represent as a meridional isomers. Okay, so next, as the number of different ligands increases, the number of possible isomers also increases. Okay. For the octahedral complete of the type metal A, B, C, D, E, F and the charges, where A, B, C, D, E and F are monodentate ligands. Okay. So what is the condition? As the number of different ligands increases, the number of possible isomerism also increases. Okay. So here number of different ligands A, B, C, D, E, F. So these are the different type of ligand. So different ligand increases, so the possible isomerism is also increases. So these are the monodentate ligand. So in this case, we have a 15 different orientation are possible, corresponding to 15 geometrical isomerism is also possible. Okay. So it is difficult to generate all the possible isomerism. Okay. So the 15 isomerism is, these are the possible 15 isomerism in the type of metal A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So what is that? These are the possible 15 isomerism in the type of metal A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. Next we are going to see the optical isomerism. So optical isomerism is another classification of stereoisomerism. So generally stereoisomers are classified geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism are classified cis isomerism, trans isomerism, and optical isomerisms are classified D isomer and L isomer. So now we are going to see the optical isomerism. The coordination compound which possess chirality exhibit optical isomerism similar to organic compounds. The pair of two optically active isomers which are mirror images of each other are called enantiomers. Okay, the mirror images of each other are called enantiomer. Their solutions rotate the plane polarized light either clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, if the substance placed in a plane polarized light can able to rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise, it is optically active. If the rotation is not possible, the compound is optically inactive. That is a condition. Okay. So in a plane polarized light, either it is rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise, and the corresponding isomerism are classified D isomer and L isomer, which mean dextro-rotatory and lavo-rotatory. Okay. So the octahedral complexes of type metal XX thrice, metal XX twice AB and metal XX twice AB2, number of charges plus or minus exhibit optical isomerism. So here the type of cobalt En thrice 3 plus is a type of metal XX thrice, number of charges. Okay. So these are complex, these are the example for this general type. So this is a mirror image of this isomer. Okay. So here En, okay, En is a bidentate ligand. Okay. So bidentate ligand, in a ligand, okay, having two donor atoms. So N is connected, two donor atom. Okay. It donates share pair of electron to the metal, central metal atom. Three bidentate ligand. So 1, 2, 3. So these threes are bidentate ligand. So this is a mirror image of these. Okay. So the pair of two optically active isomer which are mirror images of each other, they are called enantiomer. Okay. This is a condition. So this is another example of optical isomers of compound COCl2En twice plus. So this is a complex structure. This is a mirror image of this structure. So COCl2En twice, Cl2, so Cl, En twice is an bidentate ligand. Okay. So the coordination complex of COCl2En twice plus has 3 isomers. Okay. 2 optically active cis forms and 1 optically inactive trans form. Okay. So here we should know what is the condition for optically active and what is the condition for optically inactive. Okay. So if we cut the molecule into 2 halves, two halves are not equal, it is considered as optically active, which means it not possess a plane of symmetry. Okay. So plane of symmetry is not possible. Okay. It is optically active form where it is classified D and L isomers. It is a cis form. Okay. So in optically inactive, plane of symmetry is possible. If we cut the molecule into 2 halves, they are identical. Okay. It is a trans form. Okay. Just consider, it's very clear. If we cut the molecule into 2 halves, they are equal or identical. It is possible for plane of symmetry. If it is plane of symmetry, it is optically inactive and transform. Okay. If we cut the molecule into 2 halves, okay, it is not equal. It not possess a plane of symmetry. It is optically active. Okay, and it is classified D and L isomer and it is cis form. Okay. So if a plane of symmetry is not possible, it is optically active. If plane of symmetry is possible, it is optically inactive. Very clear. Plane of symmetry is not possible, it is optically active. It is classified DL cis form. Okay. If plane of symmetry is possible, it is optically inactive. It is trans form. Okay. Thank you, students. I hope you all understand this session. Thank you.